know gon' yell it every time you see me in. What's my favorite word? Why they gotta say it like short?
Back to another episode of Rose and Gold. Dr. Ross and I are currently at the Mercedes-Benz Superdome in New Orleans. And our manager has got me a 2021 Jeep. Now I don't have a license, but I'm still driving.
I mean, the only N-word that we drop on a daily basis in my house is
nice.
That's you, Kylie Jenner. Let's ride sometime.
Exactly. Let's get into these hot topics. We only have some short hot topics because Black King Sebastian and I are going to go get some Cajun food after this. So on our first hot topic, we have Dr. Dre's daughter, Truly, is showing off her first wall painting. What are your thoughts, Black King Sebastian?
We see that Truly is trying to go out there and get her swerve on.
Exactly.
Who knows? She might be the next modern day Picasso. But keep doing you, Truly Young. Let's move into our next hot topic.
Our last and final hot topic has Cardi B showing off her new custom Rolls Royce, and she still can't drive. On October 11th, Cardi B turned 28, and she got herself a new Rolls Royce. What are your thoughts, Black King Sebastian?
As you know, Dr. Ross, she's probably going to have her chauffeur driving her around.
That's suspicious. That's weird.
And with the Cardi B, we know that you're riding around in your rental Rolls Royce with the Offset probably doing something in the background, being Offset.
Exactly.
But keep doing you, Cardi B. We might visit you in ATL because Dr. Ross and I will be traveling back there soon.
That's right. I know we said that was our last hot topic, but we're going to add in one more just because this is a short Rose and Gold. We're going to add it into, let's just say, no more babies. Iggy Azalea recently came out and she shared photos of her new son. And Black King Sebastian, I want to say, no more babies.
Dr. Ross, I'm going to cut you short right there. Iggy Azalea, you need to stop it with the babies. People want to see the scandalousness. These were all of our hot topics, but to all of our Scorpios out there, happy birthday. And as you know, Dr. Ross is a Scorpio. So happy birthday, Dr. Ross.
And since we're in New Orleans, we have to tell it to you guys, live by
and die by.
We out.
That's right.
Ciao, Bella.
We'll catch you on the next song. We'll catch you guys on the next song.
Rose and Gold.